Kuloanga maumame Kipakisanga meni mama kuna zulwe Kidoki kisanga meni mama kuna zulwe Kuloanga maumame Kipakisanga meni mama kuna zulwe Kidoki kisanga meni mama kuna zulwe
Uluoranga maulwe tambudirie Ulusikanga mia ulwe tambudirie Uluturi kungana kumbu ndongale Uluturi kungana kumbu ya dongie Kimpakisanga meni mama kuna zulwe Kindoki kisanga meni mama kuna zulwe
Kuloanga maumame Kipakisanga meni mama kuna zulwe Kidoki kisanga meni mama kuna zulwe Kuloanga maumame Kipakisanga meni mama kuna zulwe Kidoki kisanga meni mama kuna zulwe
Ululoka mumpimpa mame Aviolunata mumpimpa mame Kaminyolunata mumpimpa mame Sunimi bantu lutamine Ulukwenda zandu ni pimpa mame Ululoka mumpimpa mame
Kuloanga maumame Kipakisanga meni mama kuna zulwe Kidoki kisanga meni mama kuna zulwe Kuloanga maumame Kipakisanga meni mama kuna zulwe Kidoki kisanga meni mama kuna zulwe
Lugana kwala ye fanda ye lutela mambwe Lugana kwala ye leka ye lutela kende Ululoka mumpimpa lwe tambudirie Ululoka mumpimpa lwe tambudirie Kimpakisanga meni mama kuna zulwe Kindoki kisanga meni mama kuna zulwe
Kuloanga maumame Kipakisanga meni mama kuna zulwe Kidoki kisanga meni mama kuna zulwe Kuloanga maumame Kipakisanga meni mama kuna zulwe Kidoki kisanga meni mama kuna zulwe
Mbisi zimpimpa lutateke Malafuma mpimpa lutateke Bipuka mipimpa lutateke Suni mibantu lutamine Akasuma mpimpa lutakabe Yema pulisi mapimpa mame
Kuloanga maumame Kipakisanga meni mama kuna zulwe Kidoki kisanga meni mama kuna zulwe Kuloanga maumame Kipakisanga meni mama kuna zulwe Kidoki kisanga meni mama kuna zulwe
Ulugoga mumpimpa lwe tambudirie Munu baleki ba mutandile Munu mari tandile Munu nalumputu tandile Uluturi kungana kumbu ndongale Uluturi kungana kumbu ya dongie
Kuloanga maumame Kipakisanga meni mama kuna zulwe Kidoki kisanga meni mama kuna zulwe Kuloanga maumame Kipakisanga meni mama kuna zulwe Kidoki kisanga meni mama kuna zulwe
Hange nandamba ndongala Hange mambonga Amanlan Hange bansim Hange bayala Hange danzu Ayolu kodisa mukanda Yolu kodisa mukanda Kukatuka Kakusitila Kana menuka luzai Luka benu zibula mesu. Tutela kumambut. Yani basi silakan. Zibula mesu. Hange bit. Ngedi aka zibula mesu kaka masini makutunga tunga kakange. Hange matunga ngende mwana nsuka zibula mesu. Kuku yena na malot. Kuku yena na milan. Landa lulanda. Kungunza kwende tukwe. Obwa mabwa mabwa. Ay!
Ulo agama umame. Kisanga meni mama kuna sudwe. Idoki kisanga meni mama kuna sudwe. Ulo agama umame. Kisanga meni mama kuna sudwe. Idoki kisanga meni mama kuna sudwe.
Ulo agama umame. Ulo sikanga bia umame.
Écoutez-moi. Écoutez-moi.
Kisalokia musalangi na mpani. Baba ndoi kakaba sangi misiki mbabu na sulu. Kaba! Kili kama mbuli nge usala ikanda munu fwala yutangola ndogo zizi kusitia bada nufuti sibula mesu fani sama sinema kumakulu togowa mamamu ukufuila na lumputu togowa kama mana saiba mubona neba kuisa na kusipaka bana lukanga fongu kama luta kaba sibula mesu mambuli sibula mesu mambuli kaba amatunga ngaikwa
Kisanga meni mama kuna sudwe. Ulo agama umame. Kisanga meni mama kuna sudwe. Kisanga meni mama kuna sudwe.
zondo kisitati ya bana mumwini mbongo nkatu mumpimpa mbongo zingi mumwini kabateka magazini kumumpimpa bauteka magazini mumwini mafuatiri nkatu makamyon nkatu mavyon nkatu mumpimpa mavyon ye mafuatiri makamyon lukeba benu lukeba
Ulo agama umame. Kisanga meni mama kuna sudwe. Kisanga meni mama kuna sudwe.
amatunga ngai
Ulo agama umame.
angende umwana nsuka
Kisanga meni mama kuna sudwe.
sibula mesu matunga
Kisanga meni mama kuna sudwe.
kukuyena na malolu
Ulo agama umame.
ye namila ye mamila
Kisanga meni mama
Kiambote.
Kiambote.
Yeah, thank you very much for your time. Thanks for coming. Tatale, Kiambote Tatale.
Kiambote Tatapanda.
Good, good. Other questions. It's coming soon. Okay. Let me just greet the audience. If you're watching, we thank you very much. Don't move. We are going to learn Kikongo. Congo is the language of Congo Kingdom spoken in Angola, Gabon, the DRC, Democratic Republic of Congo, and the Congo, Brazzaville. Tutondele. Okay, welcome. Okay, let me just try to, before I move I display my screen, my file. Let me just try to test you quickly. That's how the,
Yes.
yes. Oh, Tata Kwesi, hello, you're on mute, Tata Kwesi. Oh, Nengwa Kandese.
I should be here in a minute.
Kiambote.
Oh, thanks for coming, sister. Tutondele. Recap quickly. To go, Tata Audi.
Quenda.
Well done, hey, Kwenda. Tutondele. To come.
Quiza.
Oh, bravo, yeah. You got it, that's good. Kwenda Quiza, yes. I'm not coming. Tata Audi, over to you again. I'm not coming. You just need to use the two, how do you call it? Double negative, we got KK at the end. KK at the end, yeah.
Oh, is it Ki Quenda
KK on your left. Then the other K. Bravo, yes. I'm not coming.
Is it? What did I say?
No,
right?
you're okay, don't worry.
Okay.
No, you're okay, don't worry. I'm not coming. Another verb. You did it. You know your verb. Kikwizako, yeah?
Oh, Kiquiza, yes.
Kikwizako, yeah. That's good. That's good for you to know. I mean, if you're talking to sister, you want to have a secret message, just say it in Kikongo. Did you hear that, sister?
Yes, I did.
Yeah. You are amongst people, you don't want them to understand. Just say it in Kikongo. I'm not coming. Kikwizako. What did you say? Hello, Tata David Kiambote. Oh, welcome to the name. We will just quickly, doing a quick recap. So, I'm not going. Tata David, please. Kikongo, of course. I'm not going. Okay. Well done, yeah. Then I'm not coming.
Kikwizako.
Bravo, yeah. I'm just saying that good timing. You want to pass on a secret message, just saying to Kikongo. I don't want to come. Come Kikongo. What did you say? No, this is a. Okay. Thank you very much for your time. And Tata Kwesi, yeah, just try to write it down for you. Kwenda is to go. Let me just do it again. Kwenda to go. So give me 1 minute. I need to delete this one. Kwenda to go. Kwenda. Oh, Tata, Ale, I know you are there. I know for sure you know that. Yeah, yes, Tata, yeah.
Yeah.
You are comfortable with that, yeah. Kwenda to go. Visa. As I said the last time, in the past, this is a different setting. It's not the standard way of learning, but the most important thing here is the little we know, we should master it. Yes?
Yes.
Yeah?
we can't do the impossible. We're doing our best, but we're just making sure that the one we know, whatever we have to master. Tata Kwasi, this for you, Tata Kwasi. Can you see the screen? Can you take note, please? Kwenda to go, kweza to come. Yes. And in Kikongo, we use double negative, so you have a key. Let me just try. Key and ko. Key left side. Ko other side. Just key. The verb and ko. That questions?
That's making negative.
Yeah, if you want to say I don't want anything. Your verb, the verb is in the middle. Your key, K-I, and the K-O at the end, the other side. Okay, Tata Kwasi?
Ki kwenda ko. Ki
Yeah,
kweza ko.
yeah, any verb you put in the middle.
Ki kweza ko.
Yes.
Ki
Zola.
kweza ko.
Yes. Zola means Zola Tata. Zola.
To love.
Yes. Oh, the to want. Yes.
Oh, to want. Okay.
Yes. You find yes. Zola. Name kindness. Are you writing that? Zola. Yes. Let me just try to write it.
Yes, I'm writing it down.
Yeah. Zola. Z-O-L-A. You said D. Okay. Z-O-L-A. Zola.
What does Zola mean?
So to want to.
Or to love.
To love, to want.
There's a girl in my country named Zola.
How do you spell Zola again?
To want, to love.
Z-O-L-A.
To want, to love, yes.
That's right. Sometimes it's a girl's name.
I wouldn't say that because, I mean, boys and girls because, that's yes, Zola, to want, to love. Okay. Now I'm going to test you. Tata Kwasi, I'm going to test you.
Yeah, what's up?
Tata Kwasi, are you there?
Okay, I have to run downstairs for a moment. I'll be right back.
No worries. Yeah. Zolele. I mean, Zolele. How should I phrase? I can't remember. How do I frame my question? Okay, Zolele, it is your first, let's say, first singular. So, Tata Kwasi, I don't want. Zolele is the verb, Zola, first person. I don't want.
Ki zolele ko.
Bravo, yes. Are you okay, Tata audience?
You said ki Zolele ko?
Zola is your infinitive, I mean, to love. I mean, first person, let me just try to display. Zola, Zolele. Kizolele ko. Okay, by the way, let me just try to put that on spotlight.
Yeah, I actually have a question.
Go ahead, Tata.
Yeah, so how do you distinguish between whether you're saying to love or to want, or to not love or to not want? Is it all, I mean, is it in the context of the sentence? Like if I'm saying kizolele, how do I know which one I'm referring to?
Oh, okay, it depends on the sentence, yeah. Context sentence, yeah.
Okay.
Let's just use the negative because the other positive is a bit hard.
Yeah, so if I say kizolele ko, it can mean either I don't love or I don't want, depending on.
Okay. You're going to the hardest bit. Let's just stick to this one, yeah? Because if I want to say I don't love him or I don't love her, kinzolele ko. See, But
So
just,
to say that I mean to love or to want is just ZOLA, right?
no change. Yes, you're right. Yes.
Okay.
Okay,
Yes.
so would Zolale means that simply that the same as you don't want that person, or how would you break down
Uh,
Zolele?
no, let me just go back. Let me just go back a bit. Zolele is your. I mean, I'm trying to simplify it. Zolele is your. Let me just do it. Kizolele ko, kuzolele ko, anywhere. I was about to test Tatale. Tatale, Tata, I'm trying to answer a question. Zolele is your. The infinitive is Zola. So it is your verb. You go,
Right.
I want,
And to love.
kizolele ko, kuzolele ko, Tatale.
Yep. Kazoleko,
Well done,
Gat,
kazolele ko, yeah.
Gatu,
Well,
Zole.
katuzolele ko, tat, nengwa kanes, second plural, KL, yeah.
I don't know.
No, you know, I'm sure you know that. Kaituzole, first plural is TU, second is a TL. Mm.
I know I have to find my notes. So
Yeah, Kaluzole Leko, yes. You don't want. Yeah.
you said it's Katu Zolaleko.
Yeah, first singular, first plural, then second plural, Kaluzole Leko, yes. Yes. Are you okay to know what kind of sense?
I guess.
Yeah, I'm sure I know you know that. We're just going back to. Hang on. Give me
Yeah, I
1
just
minute.
couldn't remember.
Yeah, let
And
me
I
just
have
try,
to refer
let
to
me
my
just try to help
notes.
here. Yes, try to help. Kalu.
I put it in the chat.
Kalu Zoleleko.
Well done. You mean yes. Yes. Then what kind of yes? Is there first plural?
Kata.
Katu.
Akatu.
Yeah, the thing you remember is your TU, yeah? Yes?
Also, you can use either Kata, Kalu, or Kaba. No, Kaba is the third person.
Yes, third plural,
they.
yes.
Right.
Yes. I'm just trying to say that you need to remember your TU, LU, and BA. Because the K is your negative, yes?
Right.
Yes? Are we on the same page, yes?
I thought it was cool though.
No, you're in the plural.
No, katuzoleleko, kaluzoleleko, negative, yes.
I guess I'm looking at the wrong thing in my notes. Okay.
Okay. But remember, KA is your negative, but the most important thing here is your personal pronoun, which is the TU, first singular plural, sorry, LU, second plural, BA, third plural.
Okay,
Right. I do have that. It just, I don't know. I guess it's referring to something different, but I do have that in my notes.
Yeah. The thing to remember here is just your personal pronoun, which is TU, your first plural, LU, your second plural, BA, your third plural. The
but I thought
KA.
that Kata was comes before Katu.
No, I think you're talking about the third singular that don't worry about that for the time being. Let me just focus on this one. Are we okay, sister? Tata Kwesi?
No, I'm good.
Yeah, I mean, the thing to remember, when you see Katu, the KA is just for your negative, but TU, your first person, sorry, TU, your first plural, LU, second plural, BA. Yes?
Right. Okay.
Yes. Okay, Zola. we were saying this is negative. We were saying, I'm just leaving there. I leave there for the time being. Okay, how do you say now? We're going for positive, not negative. Remember, we're not using the double negative, the KK. We're not using KK, but it is positive.
Are
We
you
want.
asking me?
Yeah, yeah, sister, please. We want. We want. Remember, it's positive, it's not negative. We want. Remember,
I don't know.
no, zolele is your verb. Your zola, zolele.
But
Zolele.
we want
Yeah,
I
is
don't
there?
know.
Yeah,
I'm
I'm
not
looking for
sure.
it myself.
I don't know because I
Lily.
don't know which one is. I just have Zola means to want or to love, but
Yes, but the first person, I mean,
Katuzo Lily.
this is negative, but we dropping the KA. We want positive, one
So
positive.
then it would just be two Zolele, yes?
Yes, well done.
Okay.
Two zolele, yes.
oh, okay.
Yeah, two zolele. And second
Two
plural,
zolele.
sister.
Luzolale,
Lily.
Sorry.
Luzolale.
Yes, bravo. Yes. Katan third plural.
Yahoo Bazolele.
Yeah, bazole. Yes. Two tone.
So the Ka key makes the two negative.
Let me just try to
Okay.
display it again. See here, we got K. K is your
Yes, we
negative.
said that.
Yes.
We said
K A
that.
your negative. The thing to remember here is your personal pronoun is TULUBA. Yes. The question. Let me just try to show for you.
But it's okay for me to I can say like Yahoo Bazolele, or do I drop the Yahoo or Bawu?
Oh yeah, you could say that. Yeah, I'm just want to say that. So you were writing here. Yeah.
No, that's okay. No, keep going. I just want to be clear.
Yeah. Yes. Okay, this is not the main thing, but we just let us move on. I just want to make sure. I said that we need to focus on things that we. I mean, I think you heard that. Little bit, but small, but we have to master it. This is the most important thing. Yeah. Someone is writing. Yenge Nengwa Tutundil. Okay, let me try to share my phone here. Tutundili. Just remember negative is KK, huh? Ki, your verb in the middle, then
Kiko.
KO. Very bravo, yes. Kiko, yes. Yes. Say to sister, Kikwizako, yeah. What did he say? Nah, this is a special language, yeah. Kikwizako. You don't want people to understand.
Why the double negative?
Why?
Yeah, why are you saying no?
Is it saying no?
Like key and coal.
The Spanish do it too, I think. Does the
And
Spanish
French?
couch it?
French,
I
same
think they
thing.
couch it in
Okay, so it's just okay.
Can you say it again, brother? Oh, sorry.
Huh?
Why the double negative?
Why?
Yes.
Well, it is Kikongo. I
The
mean,
double negative is a Western concept.
Yeah, it's like in French. In French, you say je ne peux pas, je ne peux pas. They have a double negative. Je, I mean, ne and pas. Okay, let's go. Let us talk now. Tata Kwasi and sister. Cadence. Tata Kwasi, first line, please, then sister. Go to answer.
You'd like me to read it?
Yes, please. Owana besingadia. Kewakwe.
Owana besinga dia kiwauke. Kiwauko. Kiwauko.
Good. Kewakwe. Just one
Owana.
word. Kewakwe.
Kiwauke.
Thank you, sister.
It sounds like a W when you say it. Owana besinga dia kiwauke.
Bana besingadia. Kewakwe.
Owana besinga dia kiwauke.
Yes. Yes. Sister, please.
Ve owa
Oyau.
owai
Oyau.
oyau besinga dedeko.
Thank you very much. Besingadia. Remember, we are going, the verb is dia, to eat, yes?
Yeah.
We have a double negative against. Tata, can you see that K and ko, yes?
Yeah, the writing is kind of small, but yeah.
Besingadia ko. Tutondele. Question that? No? Question that? Any question on this? No?
No.
No.
Thank you very much.
Kiwauke.
Tata David and Tata David, please, first line.
Wakento besinga lamba kiwauko, eh?
Thank you.
Ve oyau ke besinga lambako.
Tutondele.
Tutondele.
Tata singular. Yeah, this is plural. Remember, we are going to change everything here because remember, Kikongo. Yes. Okay. Go ahead. Tata. Yes.
Nkentu.
Well done, Kento. Remember last time I said, oh,
Yeah.
it's not compulsory, yeah? Oh, but okay. This is a Kikongo spoken in Congo Kingdom capital, yeah. Mbanza, Congo. Go ahead, Tata.
You want it singular?
Yes, please.
Oh, it's not Kentu.
Yeah, correct. Kento, yeah. You could say
Okay,
or just drop the O, yeah. On Kento, yes. Tata, go ahead, please. On Kento.
On Kentu.
We're dropping this. This is third plural. We're dropping this.
Osinga.
Correct. Yes. On Kento singa lamba.
Lamba kewauko, eh?
Yeah. Tutondele. Tata David, over to you. You are going to answer. Yes. Give an answer here. Remember,
Okay.
which we're dropping this. This is a third plural. Tata David.
For first plural, or for singular.
Sorry. Let me just go back. Sorry. You using this is third plural. Now you're using third singular. Tata David, please.
Okay.
Ve.
Yao singa lambako.
Sorry.
I'm saying ve yao singa lambako. Lamba.
Yandi. Here we
Yandi.
we drop in this Oyandi. Oyandi.
Oh, that's right. Yep. Ve oyandi singa lamba.
Oyandi ke singa lamba ko tutondele. Tata Kwasi. Over. Yeah, Tata Kwasi, over to you. First line, please. Then.
Wakundi aku besinga vutuka kwakwe.
Kewakwe.
Kiwauke.
Thank you. Tata Odi.
Ve oyau
Kebesinga.
Key letters kind of small. Key
Kebesinga Vutugako.
Kebesingo Vaugako.
Vutukako. Kebesinga Vutukako.
Vutakako.
Vutugako. Question, sister?
So I'm sorry, what'd you say?
Are you okay? Question, Tata?
No questions.
Thank you. Okay, sister, the first line, then Tata David, the second answer.
Okay.
So am I just reading it or am I changing it?
No, don't worry, just reading, please.
Okay.
Oh, one.
012,
Mm.
012, Basinga Vata,
Vata. Mhm.
Vata, Kiwau,
Kiwau.
Kiwau,
Mm.
Kiwau Kwe.
Well
I
done.
think it helps if you sing it.
Here, you just
sing of Vata
Kiwau.
Kuakwe.
Kiwau.
Yes, just take it as one vowel. Kiwakwe, yes.
Take it as one.
Kiwakwe.
Okay.
Mhm.
It sounds like a
Kiwakwe.
W,
Yeah,
especially by
Kiwakwe,
Q
well
and
done,
A.
yes.
Kuakwe.
Kiwau, too formal. I mean, no, Kiwakwe.
Kiwakwe.
It should sound like one vowel here. Kiwakwe. Yes.
Kiwakwe.
Well done, yes.
Kiwakwe.
Yes, Tata David, yes.
Ve. Oyao Kebesinga Vatako.
Yes, Oya Kebesinga Vatako. Tutondele. Tata Alain, can you change to how do you do that? Plural. A singular, Tata David, Tata Alain. The first
Change
line,
it to singular third person.
please.
Okay. They Uyandi. Oh, you want me to read the question?
The first line, please.
Uwandu.
It is plural. We want singular here. Tata.
Oh. One. Is it in two? Or is it 1, 2?
I think it's 1, 2. I have 1, 2 as my note.
Omuntu.
Yeah. Oh,
Change it. Yes, Muntu.
Omuntu means person, yes.
Yeah, Omuntu.
Osinga, yeah, Osinga.
Yeah, Omuntu Osinga Vata Kewako.
Kewakwe. Tutondele. Tata David, we're using third singular here. Tata David, can you try it, please?
Okay. Ve. Yandi Kebesinga Vatako.
Yandi Kesinga, you drop in B. Remember
yeah.
B here.
It would be the either just Besinga or Osinga.
You keep the key because here we have a double negative. Tata David here.
Right.
Just drop it the B, the BE.
Okay.
Oyandi Kesinga Vatako.
Kesinga Vatako.
Tutondele. And there's, I mean, Tata, remember, this is just a repetition. And I think Tata Nengwa, she's not around. And there's Izawana.
Izawana, Besinga Sala Kawakwe.
Yes. Ndezi means babysitter, but here we just, it is repetitive. But basically we're saying, babysitters of children, let me just try to translate this, but it is Ndezi Zawana, Ndezi Zawana Besinga Sala Kewakwe. Tata David, can you try a singular here? Because this is a plural.
Okay. So yeah, Awana is plural.
Sorry?
Yeah, so the Awana is plural.
Yeah, we're dropping this, then we change this to singular.
Okay.
Ndezi.
Mhm. Ndezi, Wandi,
Ndezi mwana.
Ndezi
Ndezi
Mwana
Mwana.
Besinga Sala.
Osinga.
Mwankoe. Mhm.
I mean, it's not easy. Remember, Kikongo, basically, we have twice or three times personal pronoun. This is your personal pronoun for third plural. Because we're using second plural, third singular, we have to change everything. Yes? Is it clear, Tatale?
Okay. So
Clear.
no, it's not. Because
Okay, this is the BE is your personal pronoun. I mean, let's just put it like this.
right. That's
Personal
it.
pronoun.
Okay.
So
And
as
that's the
soon as you
third
change
plural.
here, sorry?
No, the base is the third plural, right? Besinga's third
Yes,
plural.
yes. So you change everything accordingly because this is first singular, then everything you have to drop
Right.
here.
No.
I thought so. On the first, on the third singular, I thought it was instead of osinga, it was kasinga.
Oh no, it's not wrong. It's not wrong, but just try to make it easy.
No, because those are the notes that I have. That,
Right. That's what I was thinking too. That it
Yeah,
should become Kasinga.
you're right. I mean, confusing because on this note, on this book, we're following the OO. Yes, we're following the standard Kikongo from Angola. I mean, Kingdom Capital Mbanza Congo. Yes, and there's the that a bit confusing, but we just stick to this one. Yeah, yes.
okay, so what are we saying? Third.
You still OO. Yes, remember Osinga. Yes.
Okay, so third singular and second singular, they're both O's, right?
Correct. I mean, at least on this note here, on
Okay.
the book we're following, yes. Ondezi mwana osinga sala kewakwe katane.
Okay. Ondezi mwana osinga sala kewakwe.
Tata David, second, third, singular.
Mhm. So that's so the plural is now Oyanu, so it would become
Let me just try to help you. Go ahead, Tata. Yandi, Tata David. So.
Ve Oyandi Osenga Salako.
Remember, on the negative here, we just dropping the BE. Don't worry about the O, yeah?
Right.
Oyandi Kesinga Salako.
Kesinga Salako.
Yes. I know, it's not easy, it's confusing. Yeah, that's a question. I know it's not easy. Let me just try, I was right. Okay. Give 1 minute. Ame, Aku, Andi. You can help me? Ame, Aku, Andi.
Eto.
Yeah.
Engo. And Au.
Well done, yeah.
Ow.
Yeah. Well done. I know, sister. Remember this. So, pay attention, please. Yeah. Be careful. Tata Kwasi, yes. Have you got this on your notes, Tata Kwasi? You need to write this down. Very important.
Right.
Ame, Aku, Andi, yeah. We call them possessives, yeah. Ame, Aku. These are suffixes. So when we say ve, third plural, yes. If I want third singular, I'm dropping this one. Third singular is Tata Audrey. Third singular
Yandi.
is. Well done, yeah, yes. We're dropping all these. Just keep. I mean, we're sticking. We're keeping Y. So Oyandi, yes.
Oyandi.
Yeah,
So
you're right.
there,
Well done,
Oyandi.
Yeah.
Kisinga Sabako.
Correct.
Salako.
Yes. Yeah. Well done. Well done. Nengo Kanes, yes. Same thing. Yeah. We are not going to stay. We're not saying it.
Ve. Is this third?
First plural.
Ve. Do I say two Yandi? Or
no, we. So you just say we. We have eto, yes. Oyeto, yes.
Oh. Okay, ve oyeto.
Yes. Sorry. This is hard now. Then here we have a tu. Oyeto ketu singa salako.
Okay, ve oyeto ketu singa salako.
Yeah. Okay. That's the only question is confusing. Okay, we stop in 2 minutes here. That's the only.
No question.
One question. Have you got this on your notes? Ame, Aku, Andi, Eto.
Yes, I have it.
Yeah, we need to memorize this.
But there was one time you put the KW as first. Because I saw a ku or kwa, ambi, andi, eto, eno, au. Or am I wrong?
No, you're fine. Just remember this. I see where you're coming from. Don't worry about. When I'm teaching Kikongo, it's not easy because get this, because there are so many variants. I mean, the way the finger changing. I just want us to focus on one thing at a time. Yes.
Yeah.
One thing at a time. Don't make it. There's a philosopher that said that life is easy. We make it hard. Is there a Chinese philosopher, Tata David? Yes.
Yeah.
I think, what's the name? Begin with C, I think. I can't remember. Okay. Yes. We just focus on this one for today.
Okay.
Yes. Omono. Yeah, Tata, going back to your question, Tata, you were talking about emphatic insistence.
Okay.
Yes. Because remember this is very important because prefix, we change the prefix, but we keep this one. When I say Kwame, KW, mine, mine. You understand insistence? Kizolele Kwameko, yes? Who can translate my sentence? That's over to you. Kizolele Kwameko. Kizolele, we know what we want. We know we don't want.
I really don't want any.
Yes.
I for sure don't want none.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's all, yes?
Yes.
You remember your KW is your Kwame, Kwaku, Kwandi, Kweto, and Kweno, Kwao. Sister, are we okay with this one? Yeah.
I remember that, yeah, but
yes.
I can't find it in my notes, but I do remember that.
No, the KW is your prefix. Just remember, these are this is top. We need to memorize definitely. We must memorize this. Ame, Aku, Andi, Eto, Eno, Au. Congo linguists, they call these possessives. Okay.
Okay, so when you put the KW, like Kwame, Kwandi, Kweto, Quino, and Kwau, that's being more emphatic.
Yeah, these are the pronoun, emphatic pronouns. Yeah, yes, right. Yeah.
Okay.
Just make sure you memorize this because let's put just this. You see here. if I drop this, I just keep the Y, then I could say ve or yeah and yes. Remember yeah and yes? Just dropping this. And is there. Your prefix here in this case is Y. But in insistence, my prefix will be KW. Kwandi.
Wandy.
Yes. Am I clear? Question. Sister, I can't hear you on mute.
Oh, no questions.
Yeah, okay. No worries.
It's still kind of confusing, but I don't have any questions.
Sorry.
So these
I mean, I don't know what to ask.
ame, aku, andi, etu, eno, au. Those are the endings when we're conjugating the verbs?
Yeah, this one you have to, yes.
Okay.
These are invariables. Let's call it invariable. They don't change, but your prefix, I mean, it depends what you want to say. If you want emphatic, we put KW before ame, it becomes kwame, kwaku, kwandi, kweto, kweno, kwao. Let me just try to practice. We have 2 minutes. I'm not going at all. That's how you know that. You are good on that. To go is kwenda, yes?
Right. Wait, say, okay, I am not going at all.
Let me just go to the easiest one. Go. I'm not going.
Ki.
Kwenda.
Ki. Kwenda.
Ko.
Ki kwenda.
Kikwenda ko. I'm not going. Kikwenda ko.
Okay. Ki kwenda ko.
Yeah. Well done. Thank you.
So kwenda becomes I am going.
Sorry.
That would mean because kwenda is to go, but when you say ki kwenda ko, kwenda is I am going.
Now you mean as soon as you put ki and ko, you mean negative. Ki kwenda ko, I'm not going.
Well, ki equals I, right? And ko equals ku equals you. So so ki is the first person, right?
Yeah. Don't go there. I know what you're trying to say. That you're going to confuse brother Kwasi.
Okay.
Go back. Tata. How do you? Kikwenda ko, I'm not going. That we are fine. Now you want insistence. You're going to add something before those on your screen. Those possessive. I'm not going at all. Kikwenda ko. Now we're adding insistence.
Kwame, ki Kwame Kwendako.
Yeah, you know your, but just insistence.
Oh wait,
after
is it Kwame? Is it Kwame Kwendako?
After the verb, the insistence. After the verb. Yes, sister. Kikwenda, yes.
Oh, Kikwenda Kwame Ko.
Correct, yes. After the verb.
Oh, okay. Kikwenda Kwame. Oh, gotcha. Okay.
Kikwenda Kwame Ko. Okay. To come, sister. To come. I'm not coming. Kikwiza is your verb, that sister.
Kikwiza Ko.
Well done. Then emphatic.
Kikwiza Kwame Ko.
Correct. Well done. Yes. That's the question. Are you okay?
Yeah. Yeah.
To go. That's the question. To go. How do you say to go? To go is kwenda. I'm not. Okay. I'm not going. Yeah, kikwenda ko. Yes. Okay. If you have to use the emphatic pronoun, then you after the verb just put KW before one of these. Yes. Kikwenda Kwameko. Yes, first person.
Kikwenda Kwameko.
Yes.
Kikwenda Kwameko.
Yes, I'm not going at all. Tutondele. Thank you very much for the time. Questions? Questions, no? I know it's hard.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Sorry. Quick question. I think we got something going in the chat. Just really quick question. So cuenda is the verb to go.
Yes.
I am going is what?
Mkwenda ngina. Mkwenda ngina.
Mkwenda ngina. Okay, all right.
Yeah, mkwenda ngina.
There goes your
How
answer.
do you spell that though?
Let me just.
It's in the notes. It's in the
It's
chat.
in the chat.
Notes. Yeah.
Well, what we put in the chat is I put the kwame, kwaku, kwandi, like first singular, second singular, third, and then same thing with the plural. For the go ahead. Sorry.
No, it's fine. Yeah. Mkwenda ngina. I'm going. Yes.
Yep, I got it. Yeah, I'm looking at it.
Remember, we I think we're going back to that next time.
Yeah.
It is not easy. I just want to stick to one thing at a time. Mkwenda ngina. Mkwenda ngina. We are going. We are going.
We or I?
Kwenda ngina.
Is it we are going?
Yeah, let me just give a hint. 1 minute. Sister, you're just going to keep the NA. Ngina, just keep the NA at the end. But remember your first person, first singular, first plural.
Tata, I'm gonna have to drop.
Yeah, no worries. Thank you.
Okay.
For right.
Thank
you very much for the time. See you.
Okay, I wrote it down. Thank you.
Yes, Mukwenda tuna. We are going. Mukwenda tuna. We're dropping the NGI, yes? Mukwenda tuna. We are going. I know it's confusing, sister. Sorry. Okay. We're coming back to that next Sunday. Tutondele. Thank you very much for the time.
Tutondele.
Tutondele.
Okay.
Tutondele.
Good week. See you next. Thank you. Brenda Gambote.
Sala Kiambote.
Sala Kiambote.
Kietu yangani kawa uko iwao bongole meso mwene isibuli matu umwidi ikonzo dieno Yeno luvo vangabo kongo diafwa Yeno luvo vangabo kongo diafwa Bizatala kwenwe Eyala ku bizatala kwenwe